Okay, so this is the HP NC4000 notebook that I'm selling on eBay. You can see how nice and small it is, very thin. This is considered an ultra portable, so it's a lot like a netbook, but it's got a nice 12-inch screen on it, bigger than the netbook, and the keyboard is full size as well. So I've got it booted up into Windows here. I just want to show you that all the updates are installed. Read that no updates available. Everything's up to date here. All the drivers are ready to go. You can see it's ready to browse the net wirelessly. Pull up Google. And then I've also installed the AVG free antivirus client that you can access down here, and also the OpenOffice Office suite, so you can do all your Word documents and that sort of thing, and an Adobe PDF reader. Other than that, the system is clean, so it's nice and fast and responsive. What I wanted to show you though was how to boot into this Linux browser operating system. So what I'll do is I'll just shut down the Windows. So what this will allow you to do is when you turn the computer on, a screen will come up and ask you whether you want to boot into Windows as normal, or if you want to boot into this other Linux operating system. If you don't touch anything at that time, after 3 seconds it'll just go into Windows like usual, so you don't actually have to choose Windows. But if you want to go into the Linux, you do have to select it. Alright, so the computer is off. I'll turn it on. We'll get the boot up screen. Alright, right here's where you can make the selection. See, I just arrow up and down here to change those to Fast Boot Browser Linux. And it'll start up. Only takes it about 20 seconds to be ready to go. It's a good, safe way to browse the internet. You don't have to worry about viruses in Linux. So I thought this might be a nice thing for somebody to try out. Of course, you don't have to use this at all. The Windows portion of the computer works perfectly normally. Alright, here comes the screen. Alright, this is your desktop. So basically this is no frills. It's just very minimum operating system with Firefox browser. So what you would do the first time that you turn this on, if you're going to connect to a wireless network, you would come down here to the little wireless icon, click right click, and then click on configure, and it would bring up the dialog box to help you connect to your network, and then it'll be ready to go the next time you turn your computer on. So see, I've just pulled up Google. It's very, very fast. Like I said, virus free. You have it on and ready to go in 20 seconds. You just can't beat it. And then if you wanted to access your Windows drive, you can click down here on this icon. It'll bring up all the folders. So this is nice if something happens to your Windows system and you need to recover data from it. You can easily do that by booting into the Linux and then accessing the Windows files there. Alright, and then when you're done, if you want to shut down the computer, or you can click there, let's see, there, or you could reboot here and then let it reboot into Windows, whatever you wanted to do. I'm going to shut down because my video is over. Watch how fast this thing shuts down. Alright, there you go. It's off. Alright, that's it.